Alright guys, so if you've been in an accident and your airbag is deployed, or if the leather on the outside is all rotted and nasty, we're going to show you how to swap that out. All you need is a Safety Torx T30 and a pick, and you basically hit each side right here, bolts come out, and there's 2 plugs in the back with a pick. Pop that out, put the new one in. First things first, make sure that you have your battery unplugged when you're doing this. Don't mess with no airbag stuff with the battery plugged in. There's these little circles that we're going to pop off that are hiding the T30 Safety Torx. That's what that looks like. So Nissan Infiniti, that's what you need to get the airbag out. So we'll go right here and you'll see a little opening. Just kind of slide that in like that. So cars that have the paddle shifter kit on it, it's a little harder to get to, but so you'll see it. I'm kind of lighting it up with my gun right there. Go like that, and I like to turn the wheel so that when it comes out, it doesn't fall in the plastic part. So that's what that looks like. Safety Torx means it has that post in the center. It's not just a normal Torx. So you can see right there. And this is a T30. So we'll go ahead and do the other side. And I said earlier, all Nissan and Infiniti uses that. On the Q50s, they are a pain to do. It doesn't take a Safety Torx. It actually, you need 2 flatheads, and they go in, and you have to hit this little tiny pin, and you slide it in that way, and you have to do it evenly on each side, or the airbag will just walk around in there. So you got to poke it from both sides, and then it walks out, kind of like how this one's going to do, but it's just way harder to get it freed up. So those 2 are out. Get the steering wheel straight again, and then pull the airbag out. Just put a little flathead under there, twist it, and it'll walk out. Don't pull too hard right now, because you are going to have 2 airbag clips on here. Alright, so once you have the airbag out like this, get your pick, and you're going to see a little opening right here. Just get under there and kind of walk it forward. There's going to be 2 clips, or 2 clicks, sorry. The first click is the black one releasing from the plug, and the second one is the plug actually coming out of the airbag. So get under there. There's 1 click, and there's the second click, and just like that, your airbag is out.